All right, let's look at the homework 5.1, 5.2, problem number 3. All right, so we want to find the upper and the lower sums for this function 2 plus sine of x from 0 to pi. All right, so we need to do the cases where n equals 2, n equals 4, n equals 8. So I'll do the case with n equals 8. All right, so first I'm going to go down to n equals 8. So the correct picture would be this one right here. Right? So upper limit, to determine the height of the rectangle, you use the right endpoint for the first half. For the second half, use the left endpoint. Right? So let's do that. So I'm going to just bring out the GeoGebra. Right, so I already defined a function f of x, so maybe I should show you that. I'm going to just delete this one. Right, it's going to be f of x is equal to 2 plus sine of x. Right, then hit enter. Right, so f of x is defined. Right, so we need to use the right endpoint to determine the height of the rectangle. So you have f of, right, so first one is right endpoint would be pi, so I'm gonna just say pi over 8, right, then plus f of, right, 2 pi, right, 2 pi, right, 2 pi over 8 plus f of 3 pi over 8, right, plus f of 4 pi over 8, right, then multiply by another pi, so you put pi over 8, right? So this is only a half of that, so I have to multiply by 2. So I'm just gonna put squeeze a 2 in there, right? Then so this would be upper sum. So hit enter. Right, so upper sum came out to be 8.6501 approximately. Alright, so the lower sum, we have to use the left endpoint, so it's going to be, so I'm going to do a half of it and multiply by 2, so it's going to be 2 times f of, right, first one is 0, right, plus f of, right, pi, right, pi, oops, f of pi, yeah, okay, let's see, f of pi, alright, let's do it again, f of pi, right, got it, pi over 8, right, plus f of pi 2 pi right, I don't know why the pi, let's see, I'm gonna just do it again, f of 2, right, pi, alright, 2 pi, let's see, I don't know what's going on, pi, alright, oh okay, good, f of 2 pi over 8, alright, and plus f of 3 pi always it doesn't work here. All right, pi. All right, how about pi? All right, pi. All right, over 8. All right, so you see that we already have let's see, 4 heights. All right, then times pi. Right, pi. Pi. Alright, it just doesn't get you pi, so that's pi. Okay, we got pi. Alright, sorry about that. Over 8. Right, then this is going to be the lower limit. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, so upper sum was about 8.65, and the lower sum, and the lower sum was 7.87. Right, then let's see, we have, did I click on, so this is the right picture. Right, so let's check the answer. Oops, I meant 7.86. All right, so let's check this again. All right, it came back and looks like we got the upper sum and the lower sum correctly, and we have the correct picture, I hope. Yep. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.